Hey devs! As I'm slowly growing up on my YouTube channel, I made a little research to find out what you mostly like. But before that, let's jump into my new intro so you can see what I can. And found anything that catched your eye? Anyway, first of all, I want to thank everyone who leaves any kind of mark behind and supports me on my new road. That makes me wanna do more stuff for ya guys. And sorry for some older videos which were recorded on my old laptop, but I am glad my little boy helped me do this stuff. And because of that, I am really happy to announce that I plan to re-record at least some of those videos, like the stand crouch prone system, which many of you really liked, and with my new setup you will like them even more. Yeah! One of my videos has been disabled from public view, even if it had most views. And I did it because the way I created that AI was some of the worst approaches when it comes to artificial intelligence, and I am not a specialist in that kind of stuff, so I decided to take the video down. Mostly I did videos in kind of real troubleshooting, where I jumped straight into Unreal Engine and started recording to show the full troubleshooting for the requester, so he can learn where to find everything and how to troubleshoot issues that come along the way. But I think it's better if I start streaming solving the issues live instead of smashing those videos to my channel. But first I need to organize it all and find some time to do it regularly. And now I'm gonna focus on tutorial and expanding my Google Drive folder. Feel free to use anything you find there in any way you want. I will be happy if anyone will find those projects useful, and maybe one day one of them will see its daylight. I also created my own Discord server for you, so hop in and let us grow as a community. Everything related to what I do is in the About section of my channel, so check it out from time to time. And that's all I wanted to share with you today. I hope we will grow strong and release the best projects the world have ever seen. See you on my Discord!